Our Cleanlife No-Rinse body care products are specially formulated to gently cleanse, leaving skin clean, soft, and refreshed. Watch how easy they are to use. Our concentrated no-rinse body bath is perfect for an easy and effective sponge or bed bath. All you'll need is a bowl, a washcloth, and a small towel. Pour 4 capfuls of our no-rinse body bath into a bowl. Fill the bowl with about 1 quart of warm water, making a mild, sudsy solution. Submerge a washcloth into the warm solution and wring out excess liquid. You may follow this traditional medical bathing sequence chart to make sure all areas are covered. You may download it on our website. Apply the solution by gently cleansing all desired areas with the warm washcloth. All our products are formulated to cleanse effectively, yet be gentle on all skin types. Our no-rinse body bath is a very soothing, easy way to cleanse your loved one if they're unable to do it themselves or not comfortable showering or bathing in a tub. If you are able to shower, it may even be used as an overall body wash. You will want to use our specially formulated No-Rinse Peri Wash for the perineum, our most sensitive personal areas. Simply remove any residue with a warm, damp cloth. Spray the No-Rinse Peri Wash onto the soiled area and wipe with a clean, dry towel. Our product is so mild and easy to use, you may repeat as many times as needed, and no rinsing required. Our no-rinse body wash is ready to use straight from the bottle and requires no mixing or rinsing. A perfect solution for anyone unable to shower or bathe in a tub, or who may not have access to water. You may apply it with a washcloth or use right from the bottle directly on skin. Massage gently to work into a light lather and activate cleansing. Towel dry each part of the body while still wet. You'll love this versatile product that is so gentle, effective, and easy to use. Our no-rinse bathing wipes are a great alternative for easy, ready-to-use cleansing without water, and may even be warmed in the microwave for added comfort. To warm in the microwave, peel back the label as indicated to vent the package. Place the package inside the microwave and heat for approximately 10 seconds. Microwave temperatures may vary. Do not heat for any longer than 15 seconds. You may use the traditional medical bathing sequence chart to make sure all areas are covered. Feel free to download this from our website. Remove and use 1 wipe at a time for each body area on the bathing sequence chart. Dispose of the soiled wipe. Any moisture will air dry, or you may dry the area with a towel. Our bathing wipes are our most convenient way to cleanse a loved one if they are unable to or not comfortable showering or bathing in a tub. They are especially ideal for cleaning up after sports or a workout, or in the outdoors where there is no access to soap and water. You and your family will love using all of our Cleanlife No-Rinse products. Most are available in multiple sizes and conveniently designed for how and when you want to use them. Visit the Where to Buy section of our website to see where you may purchase online or at a local retailer near you.